Okay, we're going to be talking about quadrilaterals. This is going to be a lot of definitions, so be prepared to write and draw some examples. The first one we're talking about is a parallelogram. So a parallelogram is a quadrilateral with two pairs of parallel sides. Opposite sides and opposite angles are congruent. So that might look something like this. And I will label my congruent sides. Those are congruent, these are congruent. I will also label my congruent angles. These are congruent, these are congruent. Our next shape is a rectangle. And a rectangle is a parallelogram with four right angles. So if I go to draw this, because it's a parallelogram, I'll label congruent sides. But I also get to label that these are all right angles. Okay? Our third shape is going to be a rhombus. A rhombus is a parallelogram with four congruent sides. So let's see if this drawing can look okay. That's about as good as it's going to get. All these sides are congruent, and opposite angles are congruent because that's what a parallelogram has. Okay? So that's kind of how it would get labeled. Our next shape is going to be a square. And everybody is very familiar with squares usually. And a parallelogram with four congruent sides and four right angles. And I'll label my congruent sides and my four right angles. Next up we have a trapezoid. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral with exactly one pair of parallel sides. So a lot of you are used to looking at trapezoids looking like this. But they could also look like this, as long as I have a pair of parallel sides. And we denote parallel sides with little arrow caps like that. Okay? Our last shape is a kite. And we kind of skipped over this one last year, so this will be good to hit on now. A kite is a quadrilateral with two pairs of adjacent sides that are congruent, and the measures of all the angles are each less than 180. So, a kite would look something like this, and when I mark congruent sides, these two sides are congruent, these two sides are congruent. Okay? And that's quadrilaterals for you.